go check out Circus Circus Las Vegas. The food court.
Very clean, coming soon.
Alright, let's go in and check it out.
Hi everybody, we're at Circus Circus Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. And this is the entranceway. Come on and follow.
Let's go check out all the gaming, food, and entertainment options here at Circus Circus. Make sure to watch till the end to see if this is a hotel for you. Circus Players Club.
We got the coin-operated slot machines when relocated to slots of fun, where they got put coin, like in old school days. This is the only place that still has coins when you gamble.
Uber rideshare is at the east entrance.
Hi everybody, we're at Circus Circus Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas, Nevada. And this is the Uber, Lyft, rideshare pickup area and taxi. And where you get your ride.
Right outside the main lobby. The Adventuredome. Cannoli. Crepes. Waffles. The Adventuredome. You have to pay to get in. You guys are going to see it from here then. Hope you enjoy. We're not going to the Adventuredome today. Comment below if we should. I'll try and show you a little bit more. There they go. I know. Did they ever come back? I guess we'll find out in a second. They're gone. Here they come. Alright. I think we saw plenty from there. And a Starbucks.
There's no other sea games quite like Mr. Krabs' carnival games. They're guaranteed fun and a guaranteed fee.
One ride is $12.98 for 6 minutes, or 2 rides for $19.48. 36 to 42 inches free.
How creepy life would be. We tell each other secrets, all their friends would visit me. If I could talk to me, and you could talk to me. Ooh, that reminds me. It's almost time to go check me profits. I mean, me patrons. These carnival games won't be around forever, so get in there and start playing.
Comment below if we should go on this ride next time we come to Vegas. Oh, Cassandra says no. If you did want to go, you could pay right here. That's your card. Oh, and they'll take your cash. Congratulations, everybody. They are ready for you. Let's keep it moving. The steakhouse, that's where we're heading. The steakhouse. The steakhouse at Circus Circus. Smells good in here. Crab cake, $27. New York strip, $86. Smells delicious. Comment below if we should come back here just to check out the steakhouse. A good old car rental. And there's the front desk with all those hard-working people checking everybody in here. It's like a nice busy day at Circus Circus. Buffet is closed. Market Express. Your convenience store with bananas. Casino towers. Fitness centers on the second floor. Big Top Eats open 24 hours. Krispy Kreme donuts. Let's see what else they got back here. Mercy Bros Bagels, Louisiana Chicken, Burger King, and pickup sticks. Burger King on the Strip. What? What a deal. If we hadn't just ate. Plenty of great seats in here. Could have had Whopper Wednesday in here. Big Top Eats. Open 24 hours a day. Cannolis, salads, pizzas, beer starting at $8. So far, this place looks like makes Excalibur look nice. Del Taco, the pizzeria. Pizza for $20. It's a buffalo everywhere. When is Squishmallow? The Midway opens at 10 a.m. daily. Closes 10 p.m. Monday through Thursday. Friday and Saturday open till midnight, and Sunday until 11 p.m. The games from the Midway are similar to games you would play at a carnival or state fair. There are over 200 games in the Midway. Also, there's a free circus act daily starting at 1:30 p.m. We didn't stay at Circus Circus on this trip. Here's an example of room rate cost. This will vary depending on what dates your vacation is on. Circus Circus has a sale going on right now. Rooms starting at just $21 per night, with a resort fee of $41.95 per night. The basic room is 364 square feet with a 32-inch TV and Wi-Fi internet access. They do have specials on their website, so make sure to check out their website for room specials. Comment below, have you stayed at Circus Circus before? Now it's time for our pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Budget-friendly room. Number 1. Number 2, lots of cheap eat options. Number 3, lots of things for the kids to do. From the theme park to the video games to the carnival games, lots of great stuff for kids to do in there. Another pro, number 4, is it's close to Resorts World. Resort World's right next door if you want to head over to Resorts World and check it out. It's also close to Fontainebleau if you're looking to check out the brand new Fontainebleau. And now time for the cons of Circus Circus. Number 1, old rooms. Number 2, lots of screaming kids everywhere. Number 3, far from the rest of the strip. You're looking at least a 15 to 20 minute walk to get to Treasure Island Venetian area. Number 4, it's super crowded and super busy everywhere with all the screaming kids. Number 5, it feels like an old hotel and not like a Las Vegas resort. For final thoughts, if you have kids, there's a lot for them to do at Circus Circus. The carnival games, circus shows, Adventuredome theme park. If you don't have kids and want to stay on this part of the strip, I would consider staying at Sahara over Circus Circus. Thank you so much for watching. Lots more Vegas videos on the way. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.